Hello, I'm in a 2014 Nissan Rogue, and today I'm going to show you where the aux port, USB ports, and charger ports are. So up front here, we've got an aux port, your USB port, and then one of the charger ports here. And then inside of here, we've got another charger port. And then sometimes in the glove box, especially if you've got like an aftermarket radio, they might run an extra cord in here off to the side somewhere that you can plug into. And if any of these aren't working properly for some reason, first thing I would check are your fuses. Sometimes a burnt fuse can make these type of things inoperable. If that doesn't work, you might need to get behind the plastic here, or if it's over here, make sure there's no loose connections that need reconnected or replaced, because that could cause you issues too. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. I hope you have a wonderful day.